The 2018 Salem 26DDSS fifth wheel is ready for your next family vacation. This rig features a fully walkable Superflex roof, safety glass windows, and has R7 fiberglass insulation throughout the unit. It sits on a cambered chassis, has hitch lighting, an electric slide-out system, and has electric brakes. You'll also find a 16-foot mildew-resistant power awning and outside speakers. The Salem 26DDSS's central living area is decorated with Beauflor wood-look vinyl flooring, picture windows with decorative treatments and pleated shades, and has ducted heating. It holds a jackknife sofa with a storage drawer below and a U-shaped convertible booth dinette. A central kitchen comes standard with a 3-burner high-output range, oven, and a Dometic double-door refrigerator. You'll also find oversized cabinets with glass insets, a backsplash, and a deep-basin sink with a residential pull-down spring sprayer. A rear set of bunk has bunk mats, windows, and privacy curtains. The Salem 26DDSS's master bathroom has a vanity sink and a medicine cabinet in the common area, and a foot flush toilet and a curtain shower in a separate commode room. Your raised level front master bedroom holds a queen bed with a mattress, windows with matching valances, an overhead shelf, and mirrored bedside wardrobe cupboards. Visit us at TerryTownRV.com or give us a call at 616-426-6407. Our friendly, experienced salespeople make it their job to help you find the right RV at the right price. Our prices are the lowest in the nation, guaranteed, and our inventory is overflowing with top RV brands. You'll save when you shop with us.